Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your 3DS model and firmware so you pick compatible themes. This avoids bricking. Next, insert the SD card into your computer and back up the entire contents. That backup is your safety net. Then copy the custom theme file and the theme installer onto the SD root. Once done, unmount the card safely and reinsert it into the 3DS. Make sure the battery is charged before you continue. You'll open the Homebrew launcher and run the theme installer. This tool writes the theme into the system files. Carefully follow on-screen prompts to select the theme file and pick any options like sound or icon packs, because those choices affect storage and behavior. The installer may ask to patch existing themes. Agree only if you backed up. Once it finishes, reboot the system. You'll need to check the theme manager to confirm the new theme appears and functions correctly. You'll apply the theme in the theme manager and preview every screen to ensure animations and music load. If the theme fails to appear or causes errors, power off and restore your backed-up SD contents, then rerun the installer with alternate settings or a different theme file. This isolates corruption. Also check the SD card for read errors, reformat to FAT32 and retry, or swap cards if issues persist. If problems continue,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.